Hello and welcome. Let's talk about redirection using the pipe operator. A pipe is a form of redirection that is used in Linux to send the output of one command or program to another for further processing. Let's have a look at this picture to understand this better. Here we've got three commands that we need to run, but we need to run them in a way that the output of the first command is the input of second, and the output of second command is the input of third command. We can achieve that by using pipe operator. Now pipes are unidirectional. That means the data flows from left to right through the pipeline. And a benefit of using pipes is that we do not have to use temporary files to move data along. Now let's head back to our lab. Now if I was to do an ls on my current directory, you'll see I've got so many files. What if I wanted a count of the number of files in my current directory? I can achieve that by using ls to list all the files in my directory, and then pipe to pass the output of ls command to the next command, and use a word count and the option lines, which means this command will count the number of lines in the output of ls. And if I hit enter, it says I've got 14 files. Now what if I just wanted the first three files in my directory? I can do an ls and then pipe head for first few files and then -3 to give it the first three files only. And here you can see I've just got the first three files. Now if I wanted the last three files, I can type in tail -3, and this will give me the last three files in my current directory. Now an important use of pipe is when you are reading log files. Now let's say I need to read this file out.log, and if you can see, it has some output lines and some error lines. What if I wanted to filter everything else and I wanted to only see errors in my log file? I can do that by typing in less to read the contents of the log file. So less out.log, and then I can pass the contents to a grep command, and then I can grep on error, and this way I will only get the lines with errors in my log files. Now I can also do this. I can type in less out.log and then use pipe to grep on error, and I can do a redirection to, let's say, filtered out.log. And what this will do is it will take the contents of out.log, filter out everything apart from errors. So I have just some errors as the output, and then write those errors into another file called filtered_out.log. And if I read the contents of filtered out.log, you can see I've just got the errors. So rather than printing the errors on screen, I can use this way to write the errors into a separate file from one of the existing error files that I was investigating. With this, I've come to the end of this lecture. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.